Hi guys, how's it going? We are back with Deadelus. Hopefully I can pronounce his name correctly this time. And fix some soldering. Let's see if he flies well. Well, I left my goggles plugged in, so let's try this line of sight. Well, that sounds like my ESC is not talking to my flight controller. So I am back. I've touched up some solders. I think that it may have been a loose ground connection, so we'll see if it's working now.
I've ever heard this piece. It was commissioned by the Air Force in 1943, and Barbara had to go and hang out with the pilots and we're at
Man, I had to land in the sand, didn't I? I wonder if it's my solder, like my main solder.
Yep, it's done. It's done.
Can't quite fly that low.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need.
I think the part of the club that wants to stay in the air doesn't like flying that way.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.
speed is too low, and when I cut down to idle, that's causing like a desync or something.
The refresh rate might be the same as the
Weird shit's happening now. I don't know, man. I don't know what I can do right here, right now, other than go back and try and figure this out. I don't think that the idle speed, I think I'm having two different problems. You can probably barely see us right now. We are out of sunlight, and that was day 2 of trying to work out the kinks on this. So I think I've established that I have 2 problems. One of which is that my idle is too low. That's the one that's causing me to fall out of the air, when every single time I've fallen out of the air, it's been when I've cut to 0 throttle. And I think that my second problem, my OSD is flickering, and occasionally my VTX signal isn't the best. And I checked my solder where I have my VTX attached. I don't know, I've got to go back and recheck that and check the ground and just check everything over there. I should have this bird sorted in no time though. And man, when she's sorted, she's gonna be flying like a kitty. Good night and peace out.